Today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Magic Keyboard. It's going to be quite awkward to film because obviously I don't have a tripod. I'm on holiday. I'm in my grandparents' house because they bought me the keyboard and they live sort of far away from sort of my house. So I wasn't able to bring my tripod because obviously the car, we had to transport some stuff in the car, and they obviously don't have that much room. So I'm just going to make do with what we've got for now. And let's open up the packaging. Just try and slide it out if we can. If you give me like seconds. Sorry about this awful view for you guys now. But now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to slide out the packaging. There you go, just slide it out, and here we go. Yeah, so again guys, this video is in more of like a vlog style sort of video, because it's not really professionally made, because obviously, as I said previously, I can't make it professionally, but you know. So as you can see here is the Magic Keyboard itself. It looks pretty nice. If I don't look, it looks amazing actually. So far anyway. Of course I've not got the full thing out yet. Just try and get it out with one hand if I can. It's coming out. There we go. And here it is in its glory. So of course we have the Magic Keyboard itself. It's much slimmer than the previous model, as you can see, and it's much better to type on apparently. I've not really tried this out. Of course I've tried it out in store as well, guys. You get the obviously the charging cable, because this now charges up rather than having batteries to change out, which is quite a nice thing to have, rather than batteries obviously, because then you if you don't have any batteries, you end up not having a keyboard for whatever reason. Because I've been in quite a few situations when I've not had any batteries, and because it was late at night, the stores were closed, so I wasn't able to go out and actually get any. So I had to use a sort of like a old keyboard, one of the old USB ones. So for now, put that down there actually. So there is the keyboard. As well, this video is now uploaded, so it's now processing. So what I need to do now, we need to pull off this this plastic covering. So let me just do that, and I'll be back with you in a second. Right, so guys, I've just taken out the keyboard from the plastic sleeve that was in, and that's now ready to go back in the box. As well, again, that video is uploaded. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to power it on. I might power yeah, let's pair it to this keyboard. I'm not gonna film this, but because it's gonna be awkward to hold and type it on. I mean type on it. Sorry, but what I can tell so far is that it's quite a nice keyboard to type on. A fair amount of key travel. It's sort of similar to. It's almost as deep as the keyboard on the MacBook Air. It's fairly similar actually, and so I quite like that. But of course this uses a new butterfly mechanism, so it's a bit different. Whereas this uses the old like scissor mechanism, which I don't really know which one I prefer. Of course, now I can spend time using both of them, both types, so I can really give you a full judgment. Anyway, yeah. So thank you for watching this unboxing video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.